Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel. Tricolor replaces Union Jack. Question number 1. Who gave Vallabhbhai Patel the title of Sardar? Answer option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 2. The Somnath temple reconstructed under the order of Sardar Patel was completed in which year? Answer option C. 1951. Question number 3. What is the height of the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world? Answer option C. 182 meters. Question number 4. Who served as the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly when it first met on 9 December 1946? Answer option B. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 5. After the partition in 1947, the strength of the Constituent Assembly was reduced to how many members? Answer option C. 299 members. Question number 6. Who was the first President of India? Answer option C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 7. The Statue of Unity stands on the bank of which river? Answer option C. River Narmada. Question number 8. Who authored the landmark book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India and proposed the train theory? Answer option D. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 9. How many people died during the Bengal famine of 1943? Answer option C. 3 million. Question number 10. What was the life expectancy in India at the time of independence? Answer option A. 32 years. Question number 11. The Indian Independence Bill was passed by the British Parliament on. Answer B. 4th July 1947. Question number 12. According to economist Usha Patnaik, what was the total value of wealth drained from India by Britain between 1765 to 1938? Answer option C. $45 trillion. Question number 13. Which British leader is cited as showing no sympathy and making cruel remarks during the Bengal famine? Answer option C. Winston Churchill. Question number 14. What was the literacy rate in India at the time of independence? Answer option B. 12%. Question number 15. What was the literacy rate in India at now? Answer option D. 78%. Question number 16. Which leader was responsible for the first challenge of Free India, integrating 565 princely states? Answer option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 17. During which movement did Sardar Patel help recruit over 3 lakhs people? Answer option B. The non-cooperation movement. Question number 18. In which year was reconstruction of the Somnath temple completed? Answer option D. 1951. Question number 19. What was the professions of Sardar Patel parents before his birth? Answer option B. His father served in Rani Lakshmibai's army. Question number 20. On which date did the Indian Constitution officially come into force, making India a republic? Answer option B 9th December 1946.